As we're in the start of a new tax year, it may be worthwhile seeing a really nice nifty feature that TaxCalc has within it. So I may be working on Craig Charlie's 2026 tax return that I've got open up here, but Craig may have joint income with another individual of which I act for in my accounting practice. So what I'm able to do is to click this cog in the top right hand corner of TaxCalc and choose Open Another Client in Tax Return Production. If that client is, say, Victoria Victor, in this example, I can select Victoria, click Continue, and I can then choose New Return for 2026. And yes, I would want to bring forward the information when creating the new one. I click Create. I can then open up 2026. And what we're then able to do is to have both Craig and Victoria's tax returns open at the same time via multiple tabs. So using that cog in the top right hand corner is a really useful way to open up multiple clients. You can also click the cog to open up another tax year. So if I wanted to go and open up Craig Charlie's 2025 tax return alongside 2026, I would be able to do that. And we can see I've now got Craig's 2026, Victoria's 2026, and I've got Craig's 2025. You can have as many tax returns open as you like at the same time. That would only count as one concurrent user license.